Alrighty, I'm going to show you how to cast your computer screen or like a web page or something. Normally, when you're using your Chromecast, you'll see an icon like this little guy right here, and this will cast like YouTube or some other video options or sites like. But anyway, so this is pretty easy to see. It's on the page. It's obvious. So there's another way to cast for just trying to cast your web page, or maybe you have something open that is not a video. And so to do that, you can look for your three-dot menu up here. You can click on it and you can find save and share, and then look for cast, and it's all the way down here. And then so when you do that, you have some options. You'll see what's available. You'll see some that go all the way down. You'll see some that are not, like the Roku TV, which says it's specific for video sites. All right, and then so the other thing you gotta look at is this says cast tab. So if I click this, it's just gonna show this window that shows my browser window. It's not gonna show anything behind it. And so if you want to change that, you can change it to cast screen. And although you can't see everything on my screen right now, up here where the sky is blue, I have about 5 or 6 more inches of blue screen. So if I cast my whole screen, you would see everything from the very top of my monitor all the way down to the bottom. And then so, but we are going to do cast tab because it looks cleaner. All right, so once you decide your source, then you decide where you're going to cast it. And so I'm going to cast it to my RoPixel. You will not see that because obviously it's not being recorded in this. So anyway, so click this and notice it's casting. It says casting the tab, stop, and then down here you'll see casting the pixel. And that's all there really is to it. And then, so let's do this again. So I'm going to stop casting, and then I'm going to click on the menu button. I'm going to go save and share, and I'm going to go cast. And then this time I am going to cast one more time. And then same thing, got stopped down here. Let's see what happens if I try to change the screen when I do this. I'm not sure it'll do that. It did not. So let's stop. Now let's change the source to cast screen again. So I'll go to cast tab, cast screen. All right. And then let's go back to Pixel. Now, see, I got options. And so I can also share system audio here, almost like web conferencing. I can do my built-in display, and even though you can't see it again, above this is more. So actually here it is, right here. That extra space up there is kind of like white space. So this is my monitor. This is my built-in, and I am using dual display right now. So anyway, so if I chose this, even though you would not see it in recording, all this extra space up here would show up on it. And then if I had anything behind it, it would show up as well when I'm recording. So anyway, so that's what would happen with this. I do think tabs are nicer. And then I can go to my built-in display, which is the laptop display. And that's what built-in display. So LG is my external monitor, built-in display is my laptop. And then so let's do this since I'm recording that screen. And then again, even though you can't see it like what I said, right? So if you go all the way up here, my cursor's right here, but I can actually go up a few more inches and I will see that on my display. You just do not see it on my recording right now. All right, and then up here is an icon that shows it's casting, and then again down here it shows it's casting down on the very bottom of my screen. And so I can click this and then I can stop, and that's how you do it. Thank you. Bye-bye.